So imagine just driving down a quiet road, not expecting anything special, and then suddenly you see this explosion of color on the side of the road. Metal roosters, giant sunflowers, bold garden pieces, and displays that make you slow down and say, wait a minute, what is this place? Welcome to Barberville Yard Art Point. Now, this isn't your typical garden center. This place feels like it grew over time. Like it started with just a few handmade pieces out front and slowly turned into a full-blown 3+ acre outdoor art gallery. You can feel the history, the creativity that started small, dream big kind of energy. Everywhere you look, there's something unique. Handcrafted metal birds, butterflies, farm animals. And then you start noticing the details. Decorative mailboxes that instantly upgrade your curb appeal, and bold, colorful pots that aren't just beautiful, but sturdy enough to handle those colder seasons. This is where style meets function. Those frost tolerant pots, perfect for extending your growing season. Those statement mailboxes, a whole vibe before anyone even reaches your door. It's not just decor, it's practical beauty for your garden and your home. And y'all know I love some garden art. And let me tell you, you don't just walk through here, you get inspired. You start off browsing, and next thing you know, you're redesigning your whole garden in your head. Because gardening isn't just about what you grow, it's about how your space feels. And places like this remind you your garden can be creative, expressive, and completely your own. So if you ever find yourself near Barberville, don't just drive by. Pull over, take a walk, let your imagination wander a little because you might just leave with more than yard art. You might leave with a whole new vision for your garden.
Someone's got the camera out. You never been here?
No.
All these mailboxes and
Uh-huh.
the big animals up front,
Uh-huh.
and these fountains like these here, and the big one up there, they're all cast aluminum. They
Okay.
will not rust.
Okay. They are
We
gorgeous.
paint it all.
I said to
So-
my husband, we were coming down, we came down in our RV and we passed it.
Mhm.
And I was like, I want to go back to that spot. but I couldn't remember the name of it. We were in Eustis.
Barberville. Nobody at Barberville. I mean,
Well, because we
Barberville's
were
like
driving
3 square
by and I
blocks,
just
that's it.
saw the spot.
Yeah.
And so I said, well, babe, can we stop there on the way back if we pass it? So we found a spot to pull off. So I'm just doing a quick walk through and hopefully we'll be back down. Now, do you guys ship?
Yeah.
Okay.
This stuff, we paint all the aluminum stuff.
Okay.
So if you see something you like in the aluminum, you don't like the color, we can custom paint it.
Okay.
It takes like a week, but doesn't cost any more.
Okay.
And the only maintenance on anything aluminum is you hit it with spray car wax a couple times a year.
Mm-hmm.
It's got car clear coat on it.
Okay.
But all that
Absolutely
furniture,
stunning.
that's
I haven't
all
even been
aluminum.
back there.
It's all aluminum.
Okay.
And all the wood stuff is teak from Indonesia.
Okay.
But I'm Larry. If you need any help, just yell.
Thank you
It's
so
3
much,
acres
Larry.
in here.
Well, I know I'm not going to hit all 3 acres because we got to get back on the
Aluminum.
road.
That's what these are aluminum. You can kind of tell what is aluminum.
Uh-huh.
The hanging seahorses are aluminum. All the mermaids laying on the side are aluminum.
All
You can kind of tell
aluminum.
what is.
Okay. And this can be outside, right? This can't be?
Reason being, this Talavera can be. Let me show you something real quick.
Okay.
Although it's all painted pretty like this other stuff, if you turn it over and it's white like this, that means it can't get wet. That's probably why you found it under cover.
Yeah, it was inside.
Yep.
Okay.
Outside, if it looks orange, which all this does, you're good to go.
I need to find something for my garden.
There's you'll find it. You'll find something, but all this orange stuff is good to go outside.
Okay. Thank you so much for that. Because now I'll know what I can pick up.
Frost resistant pots. All these sitting out here like this.
Uh-huh.
There's a big corner of them full of them. Those are